In a little cozy house on a bright sunny day lived Tom the cat and Jerry, who loved to play. Tom was big and fluffy with fur soft and gray. Jerry was tiny and quick as a flash of light ray. Tom liked naps on the carpet, warm and deep. Jerry would giggle and never let him sleep. He'd tiptoe softly with a mischievous grin and wiggle his whiskers as trouble begins. Through the kitchen they raced with a bang and a crash, past cups and spoons in a clatter and smash. Tom would slip on a puddle and slide on the floor while Jerry peeked out from his mouse-sized door. "Oh, Jerry," Tom shouted, "just wait and you'll see." But Jerry just laughed, "You can't catch me." Around the table and under a chair they zoomed like rockets through the air. Tom tried a trap with a piece of cheese, but Jerry escaped with magical ease. He flipped and flopped and jumped so high, like a tiny mouse superhero in the sky. They dashed through the garden, over the fence. Tom was tired, his chase made no sense. Jerry brought berries sweet and red and tossed one gently at Tom's big head. Tom began laughing instead of a roar. He wasn't so angry like before. Maybe chasing all day was silly and wild. Maybe he missed being a playful child. So they sat together beneath the tree, sharing snacks so happily. The sun went down in orange and pink, and both were too tired to run or think. Tom said softly, "You're clever, it's true." Jerry replied, "I like chasing with you." They smiled wide as the stars grew bright and called a truce for just one night. But when morning came with a golden glow, Jerry's tiny feet began to go. Tom's eyes opened with a playful stare. Another silly chase filled the air. And so their story never ends. Two funny rivals, two silly friends with giggles, tricks, and faith and cheer. That's Tom and Jerry all through